In this video, we're going to learn about words like certain, probable, unlikely, and impossible. So if we have a problem like this one that says, if you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will pick a purple one? Is it certain? Is it probable? Is it unlikely? Or is it impossible? So the first thing we need to do is count how many marbles we have. So let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 marbles. Now let's count the purple ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 purple ones. And then we have 1, 2, 3 black ones. So it would be probable for us to pick a purple marble because there's more purple ones than black ones. So that's what probable means. So we have more purple and not as many black. So we probably would pick a purple one. But how would the other ones look? So how would certain and unlikely and impossible look? Well, this is how certain would look. We would certainly pick, for sure, a purple marble because there's no black ones here. You would certainly pick a purple marble in this case. Now, this is how impossible would look. It would be impossible to pick a purple marble in this case because there aren't any purple ones, right? There's none at all, so it would be impossible. So now, finally, let's look at the last one. And this would be unlikely for us to pick a purple one because there's more black. There's more black marbles. It's unlikely to pick purple since there are fewer purple than black. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black and only 3 purple. So it would be unlikely that we pick purple. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand all the words right away. You could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do this math. It's very simple. You just might need a little bit extra help. And thank you so much for listening. And make sure to like and subscribe.